Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Opel Mokka 2017 to 2018 years. Okay, it comes with special harness and canvas box. You can check this special harness will come with head unit, this canvas box. Okay, and there are two connectors, special for Mokka. Okay, so it's plug and play. Okay, let me introduce it. You can check this screen panel and built-in microphone and reset hole is built-in microphone. Okay, you can choose the time, you can choose logo, you can check the settings. Belsee is the manufacturer of hand unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. Okay. You can change the logo. Opel. Okay, and adjust this screen color on this panel. It's red and blue. Any color you can adjust this panel. We choose the red. Okay, and all apps are here. It's built in Google Maps and Google Navigation. You can download the applications from Google Play Store. Okay, let me check the settings. It's built in Wi-Fi, connect to Wi-Fi. About machine, you can check MCU volume. CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB. PX5 octa-core, Android 9. Android 9 Pie system. Okay. Back. Let me check the storage. You can check total 64GB storage. Okay, back to home screen. Okay, first let me introduce Bluetooth. There is Bluetooth, this device name Belsee, pin number 40. Okay. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus. You can enable Bluetooth from your phone and click search button to search the device name. Galaxy S8, click pair. Your phone will get the message. Please put the 40. This pin number 40. Okay, show Bluetooth icon. You can make a phone call. Let me connect the speaker to test the sound. Connect back. Small speaker just test the sound. Okay. Just have sound.
愿中国联通，北京2022年冬奥会官方合作伙伴为您服务。
Okay.
普通话服务请按1。
Okay, it
For
works.
English service, please click 2.
We hang up. Okay, you can stream music from your phone. Volume. It's play music automatically. You can check USB 1. This DSP amplifier. Okay, this is DSP. Okay, it's running Google Maps and music at the same time. It's split screen running Google Navigation and music at the same time. Okay. Video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. car settings, driver setting, turn on the watch video, and play video game. It's 4K and some 4K demo video. Okay, that's all. Thank you.